Our company has been a leader in China since its foundation in 1958. We provided many milestones in the development of China's construction machinery industry. In 1966, Liugong manufactured its modern wheel loader, the Z435, which the very first one to pass the expert appraisal in China. In 1971, we introduced the Z450, the first articulated wheel loader developed and manufactured in China. It became the standard for all 5-ton wheel loader built in China. In 1976, we manufactured the ZL90 wheel loader, the largest wheel loader in China at that time. In 1987, we began a critical period of cooperation with Caterpillar Company to adapt their advanced designs, manufacturing process, and management practices to our production of wheel loader. In 1993, we began expanding our product lines with the manufacturing and sale of hydraulic excavators and road building machines. In 1995, we formed a joint venture company, ZF Liugong, with ZF Germany to manufacture state-of-the-art transmissions and drivetrains for our wheel loaders and other products. In 1998, we began producing our G-Series third-generation wheel loaders and expanded our incorporation high-quality components from the world's top manufacturers of diesel engines and hydraulic systems. Today, we are the clear market leader in China and second largest manufacturer of wheel loaders in the world. In 2006, we produced our 100,000th wheel loader, and in 2007, we manufactured and sold more than 33,000 construction machines worldwide. Today, Liugong leads the way in Chinese construction industry and is fast becoming a significant player in overseas markets. We are constantly building on our reputation for providing superior value in our products and services. We are strengthening our product lines in terms of both quality and depth. We are investing heavily in product research, product development, and product manufacturing processes to enhance our competitiveness. Our goal is always to provide value to our customers by supplying a full range of high-quality equipment at highly competitive prices. While we are proud of our ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certifications, we are not standing still. We are training our staff in Six Sigma and are investing in a state-of-the-art IT environment to improve our flexibility and responsiveness to our customers' constantly changing requirements. We source key components from trusted world-class suppliers to ensure our customers get durable and reliable components that work efficiently in our superior designs. The incorporation of coming diesel engines in several product models have ensured they meet Tier 3, Stage 3 emission. All our machines boast ergonomic design and enhance operator comfort to reduce stress and improve productivity. We are building an extensive global sales and service network with our international business partners so that we can earn new customers in all corners of the globe. We have invested heavily in a spare parts company that will ensure that parts inventories are reliably stocked for all our customers. Liugong is building 8 large parts warehouses in key locations around the world to ensure its users get their original Liugong replacement parts and services when they are needed. We have not cut any corners in supplying technical support training necessary for our products to our dealer and service partners. Wheel loader production remains the backbone of our business to this day. In 2006, we realized a historical milestone by manufacturing our 100,000th wheel loader. Now, we have the deepest lineup of wheel loaders in the world. From our highly reliable and cost-effective ZL series to our brand new 8 series. Our wheel loaders are known for their durability and reliability under all working conditions. Our 8 series wheel loaders are fully CE certified and include models with the Cummins engines to meet the European Stage 2 to 3 and American Tire 2 to 3 emissions standards. Our wide range of wheel loaders meets all requirements for different operating and loading requirements from 47 kW to 336 kW. Liugong now has a range of small and mid-size excavators designed to provide the flexibility and reliability our customers need today. These C-Series excavators are extremely reliable and efficient machines that are quickly gaining a share of global market. Incorporating world-class components, these powerful and responsive machines can be equipped with a variety of buckets and attachments. Liugong provides a complete lineup of road building equipment. From preparation to finishing, you can count on our motor graders, pavers, and rollers to provide reliable and efficient performances. This product category combines tried and true designs with advanced components and digital technologies. Liugong has introduced a new lineup of compact construction equipment to meet our customers' increased demand for these versatile machines. Designed to complement our heavier equipment and provide total solutions from Liugong or used by themselves, these machines represent the latest advances in design and operation. Liugong is also responding to customers' demand for reliable, durable, and affordable auxiliary machines in the workplace. Our lineup of internal combustion and electric forklift trucks provides the versatility and reliability needed in today's complex working environment. Liugong is shaping the future together with its customers and partners who now recognize us as their valued partner. They depend on us and trust our ability to support their complex and diverse business needs. We will continue to invest in our business to enhance our ability to provide superior equipment and service solutions to our customers. Liugong and you, shaping the future together.